Yesterday was a massive day for thunderstorms in New South Wales. We saw substantial hail in many locations. Have a look behind me. You can see the hail in Mount Victoria on the Blue Mountains, plenty covering the ground. And it wasn't alone either. We had 4cm hail in Yass. Goulburn had some pretty heavy rain rates there and 107km/h winds in Cobar. And Holder and Duffy in the ACT both saw golf ball sized hail. Now, in terms of the totals, in Canberra itself, at the airport, only 2mm was recorded, but as has been mentioned already, the hail was elsewhere with some pretty heavy falls in a couple of spots. 35mm in Katoomba, 45 for Nullo Mountain, including a very heavy rain rate of just 15mm in 10 minutes, and at Goulburn, 48mm, including hail that looked like this as it was tumbling down in Goulburn yesterday afternoon. So some really substantial rain and hail in quite a few spots and some pretty wild winds. This is what the radar looked like during the afternoon yesterday. Widespread thunderstorms, especially along the ranges, and you can see the lighter falls making it to coastal areas including Sydney, Newcastle, and up through the mid-north coast as well. But it's all petered out now. We have none of that rain occurring. It's all nice and dry in New South Wales. This afternoon we'll see the odd shower and thunderstorm along the ranges, but definitely not as substantial as yesterday. So today's storms are not likely to be severe. Now in Queensland, we've had really heavy rain with ex-tropical cyclone Penny making landfall a few days ago now. That system has weakened back, but we've still got the flooding in the wake of it. As you can see, we've just got a few showers running through the Queensland tropical coastlines, and then around the Gulf region, we've got a few showers and thunderstorms this morning, but it's very hit and miss, not too much with that. In terms of the moderate flooding in Queensland, though, the Connors and Isaac rivers are in moderate flood at Yatton and at Pink Lagoon, and we're expecting that to continue into well, it's going to start easing through today, rather. Whilst in terms of the forecast, you can see showers and storms continuing across the tropics, and it's starting to increase for the NT top end today, although Darwin, just a chance of a shower or thunderstorm this afternoon or this evening. Temperatures at the moment, it's still starting to warm up through the centre of the country. Barely any heat has changed since the night, but in Adelaide it's still sitting at 24 degrees, same as Melbourne. But here's where the cool change is at the moment. So it has made its way into Adelaide, so we're only going to see a top of 32 degrees today rather than 38 yesterday. Melbourne seeing that change as well, but you can see northwesterly winds pushing into southern New South Wales and also for northern Victoria, and that's why we're going to continue to see temperatures above 40 degrees shaded in red there. So some very hot weather once again on the way for a large portion of southeastern inland Australia. And with that heat, with some gustier winds as well, we've got severe fire danger for the northern country and also for the Mallee. Quite a few regions, as you can see, shaded in yellow, looking at very high fire danger today. So we'll be keeping a close eye on bushfires through the afternoon.